Hi friends, welcome to Keto with Libby. I am Libby and this is
Kelly.
And today we are going to be making a super simple homemade keto whipped cream. It's only 2 ingredients and it takes probably less than 5 minutes to actually make it. And then we're going to show you our favorite dessert to use this whipped cream on. So without further ado, let's go. So what you're gonna need for the whipped cream is a blender. Now I use my Bella mixer and it's super easy because it's a single serve cup and you can attach the blades right to it, make your heavy cream in there, and then it has storage lids so you don't even have to transfer the whipped cream over to another container. I will have this linked in the description down below. And then as far as ingredients goes, you're just gonna need some heavy whipping cream, whatever one you choose. I just use Great Value. And then a sweetener of your choice. I use Pure. This is just my favorite sweetener. It is organic erythritol and organic stevia leaf extract. I find that you don't have to use as much of this in recipes. I find when I use like things like Swerve, I have to use quite a bit of it. So this just really works for me. Okay, so our heavy cream, we are going to fill this about halfway. Do you want to pour it? And I'll let you know when. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of Pure. Okay, so then we are just going to blend this until this machine sounds like it's working really, really hard. Okay, so I think this will be good. We might need to mix it up a little bit, but let's take a look. So it looks pretty good. Should we do the Dairy Queen Blizzard test? Oh, that got scary. So that's it. The whipped cream is done. It is to the consistency that we want. All I paid attention to was the sound of the machine. When it starts, it kind of just goes like and it doesn't sound like it's working much anymore. That's when I know that my whipped cream is done. So let's make dessert with this. And I'm pretty sure that that took, you know, without talking in the middle, like maybe 3 minutes. Maybe it was even less than 5 minutes. So all right, so obviously you're gonna need your whipped cream for this, bowls to put your deliciousness in, blueberries,
Lilies.
dark chocolate chips, and then strawberries. Next step is to cut up your strawberries. For mine, I am doing 3 strawberries. For Kelly, he is doing 2. Next is the blueberries. I'm gonna put a little bit of a handful in there. Good work. And the best part. So 1 serving of these is 24 chips. I probably do like about half of that. I just do like a little bit of a handful. I don't know if you can see that. And sprinkle them on in there. That was a full handful.
Yeah, because I love chocolate chips.
How many scoops do you want? 1. All right, let's give it a try. The moment of truth.
Oh, my whipped cream is gone.
Because you ate it. That's really good. Super yummy, super delicious. It's got just enough sweetness. It's not overpowering, but it's really good. And this is just a super simple, throw it together dessert that you can just have in the fridge at all times. I always have berries and strawberries, or blueberries and strawberries, and then the whipped cream, we make big batches and then we just store it in the refrigerator. And I always have Lily's chocolates. So, all right, guys, we are gonna go enjoy this, and thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.